Hello everyone and welcome to another Nowtrin Tech video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Notepad with tabs. So I'm using Windows 11 and the version is 22H2 and this is the build version. So I don't have the latest version of Notepad. So you want to go to this website, and on the left side, so you want to make sure it's on URL link. So I have to enter the link from the Microsoft Store. So this is the online link generator for Microsoft Store, and I have to enter the link from Microsoft Store and click on the checkbox to get all the available links. So you want to go to the App Store for Notepad and you want to copy the link here. So this is the link. I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste it in this box. And on the right side, there's a drop down tab here. Select fast. Then click on the check mark. And right now it's generating the downloads. So when you scroll down, you're going to see a list of downloads. So you want to look for Microsoft Notepad. So this is the one here. Microsoft Windows Notepad. And it's 11.22.12.33.0. So I'm going to right click this link. I'm going to click on save link as. Now it asks me where I want to save it. I'm going to select the desktop. I'll click save. So you're going to get this option here and it says discard. Just click on the tab on the right side and select keep. So it's saved on the desktop. This is the file. So I'm going to right click the file, select open. You're going to get this and it says update Windows Notepad. Click on update and it's updated. And as you can see, this is the new Notepad with the tabs in it. So to add a new tab, I'll click the plus. And when I right click the tab, I have these options: new tab, close other tabs, and close tabs to the right. And you also have the shortcuts here, Control N, Control W, and there's also a settings icon on the right side. Click on that, and there's an app theme. So you can select this light, dark, or use system settings. There's also fonts, and you also have this option, open files. Choose where your files are open a new tab, open a new window. So I'm going to change the theme to dark, and this is how it looks. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.